Hi guys, here's Portronics Pure Sound portable speaker system. This is a black edition. I ordered it on Amazon. It took 3 days to reach me. Let's unbox it and see. Ta-da! This is quite a sharp blade. Well, the packing looks quite safe for a speaker system. This is quite safe. Well, the box looks quite nicely designed. It has very nice design aesthetics and it's black. That's sexy. Let's get into it and see how cool the product looks itself. Ooh, it has another brown box. Well, this is quite flimsy. Here we go, guys. Here we go. With the warning symbol on it, right on top of it. But still, it looks cool. It looks very handy. Portable, small. Wow. This is quite nice. I think it can stand on its own. Oh, that's amazing. Isn't it? Have a look at it. Nice. There is a couple of switches. No, it's only one. Couple of points where you can put your memory card. You can connect it through USB, an aux cable, and a charger point and a headphone. I think this is a charger point. Let's check it out. Let's check out what cables they have. Oh, I don't think so. They have anything like a charger point. It is given here. This is USB charging, I'm guessing. There is a tag. There is a aux cable. There is a USB cable where you can, I think, connect to the system and charge the battery at the same time. And there is a battery which looks like a very quite small 1000 mAh battery. Wow, that's. Let's see how long it lasts. It's quite small for itself.
Project Dream 2016.
Yeah, this is the right way to do it. Just do check it out before you put it.
Project Dream 2016.
And here is the switch for the music and for the FM. Oh, I can hear it. That's so cool. I'm just checking out FM right now. Let's see what station it can catch right now. Hey! That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. Let's check out some music from my phone. And here is the port for it. There are two similar ports. Just be sure that you're connecting to an aux port itself. This is the aux. Ah, that's an aux port. I could hear the side. Nice. On my phone, the volume is full. I think this is the lowest. This is the last point. The next point is almost mute. Yeah, this is the minimum. And let's go higher up. It's quite good. It's louder than me. Oh my gosh, this is good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe us for more videos, for more unboxing, and let me enjoy this.